What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to backup and recover your Instagram chats and deleted messages. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. To create a backup of your Instagram chats, you can use third-party apps specifically designed for this purpose. One such app is Warm, a powerful chat backup tool. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and look up Warm. Once you find it, proceed to download and install the free app to your device. After it's installed, find and tap on the Warm app icon in your home screen to open it. To enable chat backup notifications, allow notification access to the application by simply enabling it in the pop-up prompt. Now, let's proceed with the setup. Select the apps whose message backup you want to set up. In this case, we will select Instagram. Allow storage permission to Warm to backup your Instagram messages. You can also enable media backup if you wish to backup your media as well. For this tutorial, we'll skip this step. Tap the forward button a few more times to complete the setup. Congratulations! The setup is now complete. From now on, whether you receive a message on Instagram, Warm will log and back it up automatically. Now, you can recover any deleted messages hassle-free. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.